Hey guys, it's SY2000 here again, and today I'll be unboxing the AUTOart Signature 1/18 scale Aston Martin 177. So this basically means that there are only 77 of these made in the world, as in the real car and not the model car. And so this is the packaging, the classic signature packaging with the black boxing and the nice silver finish on the outside, all the licensing. So I got this model on Carousel, which is a Singaporean app where we can buy and sell items with other people for about $200, which I think it's not bad, but there are better prices out there. So I got the one in white, and this is the certificate of authenticity. This is the number. So you will get this certificate when you buy models that are under AUTOart signature. So that's a nice touch to the collection. So you'll also get a brochure. It'll show you the insides of the car, the details of the real car, like the horsepower and everything. There are actually 3 other colors if I'm not wrong. There's there are 4. There's a red, there's a blue, sky blue, Tiffany blue, and there's the black and grey one. Honestly, I would have preferred the black one, but I thought the white one would be quite clean. But we'll see how it looks. So just some instructions. You guys can skip forward if you want to see the car immediately. I'm just gonna take my time. So this is the car. There's a bit of a dust marks because this is not actually brand new. I got this in mint condition on Carousel, but still I think it's perfect. There are no damages or anything. So I just finished unscrewing the car from the base. So I have a first look. Oh, this model is really heavy. This is diecast, which is a metal body, unlike the recent models made by AUTOart, which are composite, which are plastic. So on first glance, I would say this model is very aesthetic and quite elegant, and the weight to it really gives it a very expensive feel. I really like it. So of course it's not brand new, so there's signs of bubbling, but I think that's fine. Overall the white looks not bad, I would say. But the other colors, I think they are quite nice in their own way as well. We'll start from the front. You have the metal grills, very nicely detailed and modeled. Not sure if you all can tell, but underneath there's the ventilator and everything, so it's not just one plastic piece. As usual, AUTOart is like quality. So you got the Aston Martin badge. This is a metal as well. As if you can see the sticker, it says Aston Martin. The lights, nice chrome finish underneath. The fierce and classy look at the same time. So this is as you can see, it's a red interior with the white exterior. I think it's a nice combination. So for the wheels, the disc brake goes through the brake calipers, which as usual, like all AUTOart models have this feature. So some budget models do not actually have this feature whereby the disc brakes can roll freely through the brake calipers. I think this is a nice touch. So the brake calipers, you can see 177 and the Aston Martin logo. So the side, chrome finish. There's nothing much underneath lah. Usually AUTOart models are plain underneath. Once again, the metal emblem, very nice touch, and it says 177, and you have these rear lights that go all the way around the back. So there are more lights underneath. Oh, this is really nice. A very detailed white lights at the back. Oh, I think this button is for the spoiler, if I'm not wrong. So I'm gonna push it. Yep. So it's a lever actually. You don't push it up, instead you push it forward. So I'll do it one more time. So just to retract the spoiler, you just have to push it down. Then you push it in front again, and it'll just pop up like that. You gotta be careful when retracting the spoiler. I think it seems a bit flimsy at the top, so you might not want to break it. So let's go into the engine, which I'm really excited for, because even though I'm not a Aston Martin collector, I collect mostly Ferraris. I know for one thing that Aston Martin engines are really nicely made, and like, yeah. So okay, I'm gonna do it from this side with a better view. That is really detailed, and it goes all the way in. It's quite deep. Not sure if you can tell, but the engine bay is deep, unlike budget models where like shallow engine bays and everything. So as you can see, it says 7.3 V12, 7.3 liters, and the 177 batch. We have the golden and bluish metallic springs. It's a very nice touch to this plain white body, I would say. As you can see, if you can see clearly at the front, there are actually fans as well to cool down the engine. Not sure whether the engine cover is supposed to stay up. Let me know in the comments, but mine isn't really staying up. But the hydraulics are very detailed. The workings of the hydraulics are very realistic, just like the one on the real car. The hydraulics function the same, so it's not like the budget models whereby they have the big metal hinges, you know, and they open up very ugly and stuff. So under the engine cover, there's also some metal reflectors. I'm not sure what are these for. I'm not sure whether it's supposed to cool the engine down or reflect the heat or whatever. Let me know. So there are the vents. So let's go into the interior. So from the back, we also have the golden and metallic bluish springs, which I'm actually really a big fan of. We have, not sure whether this is part of the roll cage or anything, but they are wrapped nicely in a carbon fiber pattern, quite realistic. So I'm going to slowly, yep. As usual, AUTOart uses nice clear plastics for their windows, side mirrors and everything. I would say this is a very nice touch by them because it's very easy to clean the models without breaking them, unlike models from Hot Wheels Elite where they use quite thin plastic films, so if you are not careful with them you might break them actually. But This is quite sturdy, if you can tell, they're plastic. So on the inside, we have the red interior. The seats have a nice groovy pattern to them, and it feels very premium and classy, not the cheap plastic made seats. So at the bottom, there's actually carpeting. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. There's actually carpeting on the floor, if you can tell. So that gives it a more realistic vibe as well. So the dashboard, all the gears and everything. Steering wheel. The gear pedals. Made with metal as well, so they are pretty realistic. So for the dashboard, if you can tell, there are certain things like dials and everything, the gauges, so they're pretty realistic. It's a nice touch. The speedometers and everything. And for the sides of the doors, they even painted on certain features such as the rolling down of the windows, locking the doors. This is really nice. So overall, this model, I would say, is pretty impressive. I had my doubts because in pictures it doesn't actually look as amazing. Like, I thought it would be boring because of how simplistic it looked, and compared to other models such as the newly released the Vanquish S and like other AUTOart models which don't look as plain. But I guess it's not as bad as I thought because it's actually pretty heavy and it feels expensive. It feels like a proper model car, unlike certain composite models. This is my unboxing of the AUTOart Aston Martin 177. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to support me, maybe you can like and subscribe. That will really help me out a lot. Just want to say thank you for all the support over the years. I haven't been posting lately because like I'm not free lah. I have to go army and stuff like that. So, but we'll see how it goes. If I have time, I'll post more videos. I definitely have a lot of cars that haven't been unboxed, so stay tuned for more. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.